Shrishail. I come from Belgavi. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication from KLS Group Institute of Technology. After my graduation, I thought I was worried about my career, so that I wasn't placed in a company. So after that, I thought getting into the embedded. So my friend referred that Emertxe is a good institute, so that you can get a good knowledge to get into an embedded. I joined here Emertxe 7 months back. Right now I am placed in LG Soft. The mentors here are really friendly and they will explain you how many times you're gonna ask them. They'll explain you each time so that you get a complete idea about what they are saying. After completion of your modules, you will be having the test so that you up to that mark or not to check that one. After the completion of your DS module, you will be having a mock interview. So to make you eligible for placements, you have to give a programming test and objective test. So if you clear in that exam, then you are supposed to give the mock interview. Their mock interview will be if you're similar to any company interview. If you have good knowledge, then if you clear here the mock interview which they are providing, good chance of getting placed in a good company. Got good score in my mock interview, and after that mock interview around 20 days I got placed in a LG. So I suggest you that if anyone is interested to get into an embedded career, then Emertxe is a good institute so that you can be ready for a company to an embedded career. Thank you, Emertxe.